Welcome back. You're about to see some exercises, real exercises, unlike the warm-up you've seen before. It's real exercises. First exercise is the vine up. Make sure you're secure in the tree. Now, if you really want to challenge yourself, just do vine ups with no feet. Secure in the tree, right? Next exercise is the vertical hold. Overall wrist strength, forearm strength, and it'll look good. Find yourself a tree. Give yourself a vertical hold. You want to make it more challenging. Start lifting yourself higher. Give more muscle strength. Gain more muscle strength. Now your blood's pumping. Next exercise. This is the monkey climb. Find yourself a group of trees.
Then you come back for more monkey business. Really, Derek?
Good try. The walk down. That's when you know you had a good monkey climb. Next exercise, you're gonna need a wedge like this. This is the trunk pull up. Each hand on each side. It's a lot easier. Till your hands can't take it no more. Next, we have vertical climb. Choose a stump thick enough to hold your body, climb it all the way up and then all the way down. Work your back, make you better at climbing and crawling around. We got attacked by bees. Ha! Think we're done? Now it's time for some log squats. Nice and deep. Do as many as you can. I'll tell you as many as you can't. That's how you really get it. Now it's time for the bear crawl push-ups. Haven't had enough yet? Work your chest and your whole torso. More log play. This is a log toss around. My favorite. Until you can't no more. And lastly, to finish the workout is the bank shot. And there you go. A real workout for a real caveman. Thanks for watching.